going on YouTube, and welcome back to another vlog. And today we are heading down to Thebarton, or Thebarton by Eastern Coasters that might be watching this channel, to the Japan Festival in Adelaide. It's also known as, no, I can't remember the name, yeah, I'll put it down in the lower thirds, but it's Children's Day as well, so there's a few things going on, so I'm hoping to get some really nice footage today for you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're just leaving the Japanese or Japan Festival. As I said, the name will be at some point during this vlog, what it's actually called. Plenty of things to see and do. A little bit warm because we were expecting it was going to be sort of overcast and raining today, and we were mistaken. Which is, yeah, so it was a bit warm, but anyway. Yeah, so that was it. Hopefully one day you might see just that in Japan, but that might be a long way away, but yeah, hopefully one day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like down below, thumbs up, and we will see you next time on Just That. Take care, bye bye.